Hi, my name is Christina and this is a Joice crochet tutorial. In this guide, I will show you how to make seamless connections. Seamless connections are used to create invisible transitions between rows. Let's get started. Finish the row. Now we need to make a seamless connection. Loosen the loop a little and remove the hook. Find the first single crochet of the row, this one here. Insert the hook under both stitches from the back. Hook the loop and pull it through. Remove the hook once again and hold the loop firmly. Insert the hook into the stitch under the new false stitch. And on through the loop. Hook the working thread and pull it through both loops on your crochet hook. Make a chain stitch to move up to the next row. And that's it! If you liked the video, please consider giving it a like and subscribing to the channel. We continuously add tutorials, guides and patterns. Thank you for watching.